everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Cooking with TK. Today you guys, I'm going to show you how to make some delicious pepper steak. I am serving my pepper steak over some parboiled rice, and I want you guys to see how I made mine so that you too can have some delicious pepper steak on your table for your loved ones. Okay, let's get into this video. The first ingredient into making your pepper steak, you will need some I'm using thin cut round steak meat, okay? So that's what I have here in this bowl is some thin cut round steak meat, and I have it cut into thin slits, okay? That's the first ingredient. Here I have some green bell peppers, yellow onion, and some red bell pepper chopped, cut julienne style, okay? But chop it whatever way you like, okay? So you're gonna need some green bell peppers, some onion, and some red bell pepper to prepare pepper steak the same way that I am doing it. You will also need 1 tablespoon of flour. You will need some ground black pepper. You will need some garlic powder. You will need some brown gravy mix. This is a packet, great value from Walmart. You will need some seasoning salt. I'm using Morton seasoned salt. You will also need about 1 cup of beef broth. You're gonna need a dab of hot sauce. Dab on them with some hot sauce, okay? This is Louisiana style. You will need about 3 tablespoons of butter. 3 tablespoons of butter or margarine. If you don't have butter or margarine, just use some cooking oil. Okay, so my first step to making this delicious pepper steak, beef pepper steak, is we are going to season it up with black pepper. It's not called pepper steak for no reason, okay? Next step is we are going to add in that 1 tablespoon of flour, okay? I'm going to add in a small amount of garlic powder, and I'm gonna add in a half a teaspoon of the seasoning salt, a half a teaspoon. Now we are going to mix this in with our steak. How many of y'all like beef pepper steak? Raise your hand. And if you're from the South, you know where I'm going with this pepper steak. This is not your restaurant style pepper steak. Leave comments down below if you can remember your first time having pepper steak. Where was it at? Was it your mama? Was it your auntie? Your grandmama? Your girlfriend? Your boyfriend? And what did you eat it with? Did you eat it with rice, noodles, mashed potatoes? As a matter of fact, leave that down in the comment section. How do you enjoy your beef pepper steak? So into your skillet, you're going to toss in some butter. That's about 1 to 2 tablespoons of butter. And you're going to allow this butter to melt in your skillet. Once your butter has melted, you're going to go in with your veggies, your green bell pepper, your onion, and your red bell pepper. And we are going to cook these for about 3 to 4 minutes. Try to bring the flavors out on these veggies for our pepper steak. Y'all, I'm so excited. This recipe is Mr. Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill recipe. I wanted to try his way, which is the same way my mama used to cook it. You know, down here in the South, we have certain ways that we like to make our food. And this is gonna be extremely delicious, y'all. So go ahead and try it. Saute your veggies for 3 minutes. Okay, once your veggies are done, you're going to remove them from the skillet. We are going to use this same skillet. You don't need to get another skillet out. Use the same skillet so you don't have all of those dishes to wash, y'all. Gonna make it simple and easy. Ladies, if you need an idea to cook for your husband tonight or tomorrow, this is it. Making some pepper steak, okay? Now to the same skillet, I'm gonna add in 2 tablespoons of butter. You can use 1, it doesn't matter. Go ahead, add that butter in, allow this butter to melt. After your butter is melted, it is time to go ahead and add in your beef, okay? Your steak meat. We're gonna be eating good tonight over here. This is, boy, I tell you, I haven't had this in a long time. And I'm ready to tear it up. What are y'all cooking tonight? Leave it in the comment section below. We're gonna cook this because we want it to get nice and brown. You don't have to cook it all the way through because it's gonna cook in the sauce. It's just gonna be brown gravy. Okay? Get with me now. Get with me. And if y'all see this video and you want to go and make it, go get the ingredients and come back, click back on my video and cook along with me. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so that you can be notified each and every time I Cooking with TK upload a video. Y'all, I just hit 40K subscribers. I appreciate every last one of my subscribers and I love you all. And I want to give some shout out, so stay tuned towards the end of the video to some of my faithful subscribers and my supporters who have been there from the beginning. Okay. Okay, y'all, remember that hot sauce? Now, if you don't want to add in hot sauce, you don't have to. I'm going to add in just a dab on it, okay? Dab on it means about a teaspoon of hot sauce. Just add some flavor. We're going to add some black pepper. Just a little bit of that because we got hot sauce. And we're going to add in that garlic powder. And let's mix that right on together, okay? Allow your steak and your veggies to cook together for a few minutes, just a few minutes. I'm gonna add in a little bit more beef broth. My kids and mama add a little more broth, they want a little more sauce. When it cooks, trust me, it's gonna thicken up. Remember, we got that flour in there. So that's a cup and 1/4 cup of beef broth that I'm using. Now I'm gonna allow this to simmer for about 5 minutes. And then we'll be done. And we're gonna serve this over some rice, y'all. Okay, everyone, here's our pepper steak for dinner tonight. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave lots of comments down below. I'm serving this over rice. I'm ready to dig in, y'all. Please tune in to Cooking with TK's channel for another great video. Y'all go out and make y'all some pepper steak with some rice. And ladies, make it for your man, especially if you're trying to hook one.